Hello, I'm at Union City right now. So आज का प्लान ये है that I'm going to go to San Francisco. The person who I'm staying with, Shavni and her husband, they are dropping me to San Francisco. उधर से hop on hop off bus एक रहता है system. Going to take that. So hop on hop off bus is that a bus runs through the route in the city. There are 17 stops, so you can get down at any time. You can get up at any time. So after every 15 minutes हर stop से बस आती है और जाती है. So अभी टेस्ला से हम लोग जाएंगे San Francisco. ट्रैफिक में है एंड गाड़ी ऑटो चालू है. ओके अभी टर्न आने वाला है. माय लाइफ इज नॉट ऑन द लाइन ना. Oh dude, that's insane. So that you experience Tesla का जादू. It is automatic. I'm wondering कि इंडिया में चलेगा नहीं. A major contribution of this is also the well connected roads, everything being on track. So I reached the city of San Francisco, which is also called the Golden City. I got the day and night tour by a big bus that costed me $80 for the day. Thank you, cheers. भाई अब मैं आ गया hop on hop off bus and now I'm going inside. This is my ticket. फुल हाउस सा लग रहा है भाई लोग, बहुत सारे लोग हैं इधर. और इधर है ये जिसमें मैं ईयरफोन चलने वाला हूँ और गाइडेड टूर भी है. फर्स्ट स्टॉप मेरा है एट द विजिटर सेंटर. इधर से ये बस रुकेगी at 17 different stops where I can get down and I can get on again. So अभी करते हैं चलो अपना ट्रिप. So the trip started from the visitor center, that is the hub for the hop on and hop off bus. San Francisco is literally built in between mountains and has very steep roads like this. Then we reached the Trans America building in the financial center. This building is the second tallest building in San Francisco. California Street is one of the longest streets in San Francisco and it looks something like this when shot from the right angle with the right camera. Then through the bus I also saw many other landmarks like the ferry building, which is a terminal for ferries to cross the San Francisco Bay, the Palace Hotel, which is very popular and the price of a hotel room for one night is about $350. स्पीकर पे सब कुछ मुझे बता रहे. अच्छा लग रहा है hop on and hop off बस में. It's a lot much easier and feasible. So अभी next stop है Union Square. The Union Square is like a central gathering place, a shopping destination and a cultural hotspot in the city. But lately it's also known for many homeless people around it. Next up was a city hall that stands for an iconic symbol of civic pride with its majestic French architecture, grand dome and rich history. और इधर ये है Asian Art Museum. Around that, I also saw some iconic buildings like the Memorial Building, War Memorial, Opera House, and the Symphony House. From the bus, I also saw classic San Francisco homes that are very vibrant in color. इसको कहते हैं Divisadero Street, जिसको बोलते हैं that it's the bridge between the sunny side and the foggy side of San Francisco. और ये है Golden Gate Park. Then we went to the Haight Ashbury District, which is at the intersection of Haight and Ashbury Street. It's also known as the hippie center of San Francisco, and by the way it looks, you can tell that. So देखो भाई इधर एक बिल्डिंग है जिससे पैर बाहर आ रहे हैं. Quite funny. अभी केज़ार स्टेडियम में देखिए हो गया. भाई आपका नॉलेज तो कमाल का. और अभी कुछ ही टाइम में आएगा Golden Gate Bridge जो मैं चलने वाला हूँ. So as we started heading to the Golden Gate Bridge, it was super windy. And then finally we were crossing the much awaited Golden Gate Bridge. It's so beautiful. After seeing it, I realized why it's the recognized symbol of San Francisco. The bridge has over 10 million visitors annually, which is crazy. Boys and girls, I'm at the Golden Gate Bridge now. I made a friend over here. His name is Mohsin, right? What's happening, mate? अभी pictures लेंगे थोड़े बहुत. So Mohsin, do you have any message for my fans?
You know what, he's a lovely guy, this guy, and he's taking some very good videos, so make sure you keep watching him.
Ooh, yes, you heard the man. Do like, share, subscribe. But man, Golden Gate Bridge का क्या view था यार. And bro, नए दोस्त बनाए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब करना कंपल्सरी है. You got to subscribe, bro.
Yes, bro. I haven't subscribed to anyone. It's my first time in my life.
Nice. So boss, अभी मैं आ गया हूँ Pier 39 के जगह है. इधर बहुत सारे मार्केट्स है, कलरफुल लग रहा है. It's reminding me of the Christmas markets of UK. So ये है मेरा क्रैब और श्रिम्प सैंडविच. बहुत भूख लगी है, सो फटाफट खा लूँगा मैं ये. फिर मुझे जाना है वापस हॉप ऑन हॉप बस पे. After Pier 39, I headed to the bus to witness the night journey. So भाई अभी नाइट टूर चालू होने वाला है. I also saw the sunset from the Golden Gate Bridge. It was beautiful. So boss, अभी Treasure Island में आए हैं. Treasure Island is a man-made island over here in San Francisco. ये पूरा पीछे San Francisco का skyline दिख रहा है. I also have a friend over here. Her name is Javiera, right? How are you doing?
Fine.
Where are you from?
Chile.
How do you like San Francisco?
I like Vermont.
Cool. और बातें करेंगे तो मैं भी और थोड़ी फोटोज वगैरह लूंगा. And नए दोस्त बनाए, so you know what happens next. Subscribe तो करना है यार. You should like, share and subscribe.
Absolutely.
तो भाई प्लेजर में मैं आया हूँ. हमारा बस बन बढ़िया है. तो अभी एक दूसरा बस आ रहा है यूनियन सिटी से. हमको इधर से पिकअप करेगा और यूनियन सिटी लेके जाएगा. तो I'm just chilling over here and we'll head from here in about 15 minutes. I'm also joined by
Javier.
Javiera. How do you find me as a person so far? How am I?
Really nice. He's a really nice guy. I have just met both meetings and I know he's a nice guy. Please like, share, and subscribe to Yash's channel.
And finally हमारी बस आ गई. Yay! Nice one, bro. बस चल हो गया है. Now we're heading to Union City. So late in the evening, it was super cold, but San Francisco is even prettier at night. अभी वापस पियर 39 में आ गए. इधर बैठ के मैं खाऊंगा. ये है श्रिम्प वगैरह का एक डिश और ये है चावलर में इसमें है चीज, क्रैब, बेकन, श्रिम्प. अच्छा होता है काफी. सो अभी खाते हैं, बहुत भूख लगी है. सो चिलियन दोस्त है, चिलियन पैसे दे रहा हूँ इससे, चिलियन पीसो दे रहा हूँ उससे. वो देख रही है शायद होगा. है इसके पास पैसो. 500 pesos. Thank you so much, Javiera. Cheers. I'm back home. San Francisco day was amazing. हॉप ऑन ऑफ बस किया, अच्छा खाना भी खाया, अच्छे फोटोज लिए एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली अच्छा कंटेंट भी शूट किया. आई एम बैक एट वर्क. मेरा मंडे मीटिंग चालू है. यस, इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, यू नो द ड्रिल. डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट.